Welcome to lesson number 16, Dehardcoding and Variabilization in MSI. We frequently have to reference directories as well as existing or non-existing files in our package. Some of the references vary depending on the users logged onto the machine. For example, the app data folder. To solve this, we have to use dynamic values to make the package less dependent on fixed values. The solution is using dehardcoding and variability. Hardcoding refers to references to different pathways regardless of whether they belong to our application or not. It is resolved by referencing the characteristics already present in our package. These are the references to the just mentioned pathways. For example, if we look at the Files and Folders page, we can see that this subdirectory is located under Program Files. Let's assume that we want to keep this folder somewhere in the registry, since our software reads the registry. It would be no longer appropriate to leave it as C Program Files and the subfolder. The user may alter the installation directory, or the user may install the application on the disk drive, for example. As a result, the directory reference is the correct approach to write this registry. If we go to the registry page and change it, we may type the square bracket and pick folder from the data area. We can choose our subdirectory from there, and as you can see, this is now dehardcoded. If we need to dehardcode a file, we use the same open square bracket key and the file command. Selecting the file now reveals that it's dehardcoded as square bracket, hashtag, and close square bracket. Variabilization refers to settings that can be altered by the person installing the package, even during the installation process. In such circumstances, public properties are defined with the initial values when the package is created. They can later be adjusted by the administrator by performing a command line installation. Remember how we looked at MSI properties in video 13? This is what variabilization means, using the MSI properties to assign dynamic values to a registry, INI files, and so on. Now that we know how to make our MSI more dynamic, let's have a look at vendor MSIs in the next video.